This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Tiffany Bowling. Step inside this delightful 2-bedroom, 1-bath residence that perfectly blends homely comfort with the potential for commercial enterprise. The home welcomes you with its warm, inviting living room that flows seamlessly into a well-appointed kitchen, ideal for home-cooked meals and gatherings. Each bedroom is a cozy retreat, offering a peaceful space to unwind. But the true highlight is the expansive garage, fully equipped to meet commercial standards. This versatile space is a dream for those who wish to run a business from home or require a professional-grade area for their creative or mechanical projects. The garage's ample size and adaptability make it suitable for a variety of commercial uses. Whether you're looking for a space to start your next venture or simply a place to call home, this property offers the perfect blend of potential and charm. For more information, review the details below or contact Tiffany Bowling at 865-693-1111.